Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a huge haul video. These are the stuff that I got during my trip to Korea. If you follow me on Instagram, updated kayo sa mga ginagawa ko noon when I was there. And this is gonna be the chillest video ever. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on right now. I'm gonna start off first with the products that I got that are not makeup or skincare related. And you guys, it's very obvious. It's all about the food and snacks that I got. I actually went crazy sa snacks. Actually, ito pa yung inuna ko kaysa sa makeup. Lotte Mart is heaven for those who are sweet junkies like me. So first, let's start off with this. This I got, hindi ko maintindihan talaga lahat ng nakalagay sa packaging. But this is yung, ganito yung itsura niya. I think sa mushroom chocolate yung tawag niya. That's how it looks like inside. Medyo pricey siya. I think it's almost 3,000 won. I really love this snack. This is the matcha choco pie. Again, hindi na naman natin maintindihan yung nakalagay sa packaging, but obviously it's matcha and I go crazy on green tea and matcha. This is just how it looks like. Oh yan, individually packed siya inside. Actually, ito yung talaga sa namin eh. Nagpapuno dun sa luggage kasi yung boxes inuwi ko talaga. So next, this one, it's included in my last vlog sa Korea. I've been looking for this snack for so long and it's the original Spanish dessert churros. Sobrang favorite ko to, as in, apat to, pero, ay hindi, tatlo to, pero isa na lang. Guys, go to Korea, get this one. It's super duper good. And then next, I have this. You guys know how much I love the honey butter chips, but I didn't go crazy kasi yung price niya, it's not much, different din naman dito sa Philippines. And grabe, oh, kita niyo ba yan? Hirap ilagay sa luggage, kaya dito na lang ako bibili. I love honey butter chips so much, so if you guys love chips and matamis. Basta magandang combination for me. Yung iba hindi nila gusto, but ako, I really like it. Make sure to check this out and taste it when you're in Korea. Real Market O. Ito yung una kong tinikman when I went to Korea kasi I wanted to try it so bad and I love snacks and matamis. 4,000 won na siya. Madami na siya inside. I think we have 8 pieces. So, ganyan lang yung itsura niya. And next, the other variant is the matcha one. You guys know, again, I love green tea. So, yan. Kaya siya nabuksan kasi nga, nagbigay ako sa iba. O, diba, ang generous ko. Charot. Then, another parang choco pie nila. So, ganyan lang din siya. Individually packed. And we have these. Para siyang mochi. So, I got the chocolate one in the green tea. I like this one better. This one, hindi ko nagustuhan. So, if you go to Korea, isa to sa mga must-buy desserts nila. You should get this one. Yeah, I got this almond choco ball. Haven't tasted it yet, so tikman namin yan mamaya. I'm a sucker for almonds and chocolate, so this one, I'm excited about it. Kitang-kita naman na kinain ko na siya. This is the honey butter almonds. The best, guys. You should get this. Aside from the honey butter chips, sobrang na-addict ako dito, pero feeling ko naka-move on na ako. Ito na yung gusto ko, as in grabe. And then next, I got this real cheese chip from Market O. Isa din to sa mga bestsellers. I always research about Korea, like, for years na. Tagal ko na kasing pinangarap talagang magpunta dun, guys. If you know me way back grade school, you know how much I've always wanted to go to Korea. Hindi ko pa din to na-open, so titikman namin to later. We bought this. Actually, pa simuno ko to. Kung napanood nyo yung vlog and yung sa Instagram. Akala ko kasi cheese siya. Pero guys, sobrang anghang nitong cheese ramyun na to. As in, grabe. Hindi pa siya yung sobrang anghang talaga. Ganyan kalalaki guys yung mga instant noodles nila. So if you're gonna buy, make sure na malaki talaga yung luggage nyo because dito pa lang sa snacks, sobrang dami na. So yan. And then lastly, I got these Cheetos. I actually love this. I tried this last year when my friend Eunice got it for me when she went to Korea. Ibang-iba yung lasa guys yung Cheetos nila doon. Pero ako nagustuhan ko. So yeah. This one I got from Everland. Ang cute ng nila bag. Look at this. It's so cute. It's a keychain. This is for 5,000 won. Grabe, I went to MBC World. I toured. You guys watched the vlog as well. Sana napanood nyo. This folder, this is Lee Jong-suk as Kang Chul in W2 Worlds. I love him so much, as in. So, ito lang naman yung kinuha ko. A lot of socks. Kita nyo naman dun sa vlogs. Kahit saan ka magpunta na subway station, merong socks. This one I got from my ate. It's a panda. Yung iba na binili ko, binigay ko na sa mami ko tsaka sa mga kapatid ko. So, di ko na mapapakita dito. Got this for myself. It's so cute. Korean girl siya. So, yeah. And then, I went crazy over this. You guys know how much I love Song Joong Ki. I have this, Yusi Jin, and then another dots-inspired socks. Tapos, ito na naman. Actually, bibigay ko to sa pamangkin ni Dave. This one, sobrang cute. So, yan. Opa. Yan, those are the socks that I got. Then next, I went to Daiso. Actually, last day na ata namin yun ni Day. Na nalimot ko na kailangan pala may bilhin ako sa Daiso. I love these sponges so much. This one is the one that I got nung first day ba namin yun? Oo, hindi ko lang siya na-vlog. Actually, mas gusto ko yung ganito. Medyo madami siya. Kesa dito, yung parang teardrop to. Tapos ito yung medyo ganyan, pear shape, ganyan. Mas maganda to guys. So if you go to Korea, this is only 2,000 won. I hoarded this, pero apat na yung nabili ko. Kasi yung napuntahan kong Daiso, wala na sila nung color na gusto ko. Iba, tinanggal ko na sa lalagyan kasi kita niyo naman bulky siya. Fresh pala na shade. And then this one, yung pink. This is a must-have. It replaces my Real Techniques. Kung may mas mura pa sa Real Techniques, guys, ito, wala pa siyang 100 pesos. Sayang nga, hindi pa ako nakabili ng madami. But next time when I go back, I will hoard more. I love these sponges so much. I got this one. Ang cute na ito. It's the egg or puff holders. Sayang nga kasi isa lang yung kinuha ko. 1,000 won lang to. Sponge. So, yeah. Lagay mo lang siya dyan. So, that's that. This one. I have this tripod already. Pero doon kasi, 3,000 won lang to. So, very inexpensive. Tinanggal ko na sila lahat sa packaging kasi magiging bulky siya sa maleta. So, there. Lastly, from Daiso, I got this nail parts beauty kit na meron lang siyang mga jewel. And only for 1,000 won. So, yan. Gusto ko lang siya i-try sa nails ko. Kasi wala akong nakikitang ganito dito sa what I've been wearing sa photos ko. Usually, ito yung suot ko nung when I was in Korea because I only bought one rubber shoes. Tapos yun nga, bumili ako kasi I've always wanted to buy white sneakers. And hindi ko siya nakikita dito sa Philippines. So, I got it there. Between 65,000 to 70,000 won. This is a coat jacket from H&M. So, ganyan lang siya kahaba. Nakita nyo naman yung photos niyan. Nasuot ko to. This is the octopus that I got from Myeongdong. If you guys watch Legend of the Blue Sea, ito yung octopus na binigay ni Ho Jun-jae. Ang cute! Sinasabit ko to sa bag ko. As in, tuwang-tuwa ako. Medyo expensive lang siya. It's 5,000 won. But I still got it because I was in Myeongdong and dun sila usually nag-shoot. And I went to their house. Grabe, so yan feels K-drama. Should go to A-Land. Ito yung story, ito yung itsura niya. Meron sa Myeongdong, they have 2 branches there. So, let's dive into it. Medyo madami akong binili dito. So, first, I got this Acne Pimple Master Patch. I just got one kasi meron naman dito sa atin. And I tried it already. Ito yung pimple ko na yun, no? Ang galing, nawala siya overnight. So, yan. Next is the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I've been using this every day, so I love that. You can get it again in A-Land. Everything is there. All Cosrx products are there, as in, doon nyo lang siya makikita. And next, I have this Cosrx, Cosrx pala yung basa, pero Cosrx na sasabi ko. Cosrx Blackhead Silk Finger Ball. And then, I have this oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion with birch sap. It's one of their holy grail products. So, I got that since I have dry skin. This Galactomyces alcohol-free toner. Ano lang siya, malaki lang siya na bottle, spray bottle. I have this Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So guys, it's just a essence. It's really sticky and sobrang nice niyan sa face. Next, I have this 2 Ultimate Overnight Spa Mask. Ayan, I have yung rice one and then yung honey. So, ganito lang yung itsura niya. It's just in a jar. Akala ko nga nagbago na sila ng packaging, yung naka-tube siya, pero wala dun. Ito yung andun. So, I got it. Sobrang daming reviews ng Cosrx na talagang maganda. And I've been watching Korean YouTubers all the time. Kaya, I knew what I really wanted to get. So, shout out to Joanne Kim. I love her. She's one of my idols here on YouTube. She influenced me to get Cosrx products. One Step Moisture Up Pad. And sobrang ganda nito, guys. Expensive lang siya. This is 18,000 won ata. So, next time, pagka pumunta ako dun, sana mag-sale. Pero hindi sila usually nagsisale. But, yan, I got that. This is so nice. As in, super duper. You should get that as well. And then, lastly, for my Cosrx A-Land haul, I got this Salicylic Acid Exfoliating Cleanser. So, if I will be having, like, my breakout days, I will be using this. A lot of Korean YouTubers rave about this product. So, I got it as well. Amino Moisture Mask. I got this kasi you guys know how great Leaders is and I have dry skin. Sayang lang hindi ko na nabiling Aqua Ringer kasi hindi na kasya sa bagahe ko. So, ito na lang muna. And this is much cheaper. I think it's 10,000 to 15,000 won. Next, I got these Dasem concealers. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-shop sa Dasem. But next time na lang talaga pagbalik ko dun. Kasi ang dami din nilang okay na skincare. I actually knew about these concealers last year pa from Sunny Dahe and Kim Dao. Joan Kim and Edward Avila, they love this so much. So yan, I got 3 of those. So okay na siguro to hanggat makabalik ako ng Korea. Next, I stopped by Apyu. Apyu, babasa dito. Ayan. First, I got this Waterful Cucumber Soothing Gel and yung Aloe Soothing Gel. This is really inexpensive. I think it's 3,000 won or less. This Mineral Lip and Eye Remover. It's one of their best sellers. I think this is 2,800 won or 3,000. These Lasting Lip Tint. Isa to sa mga best sellers nila. So, I have 3 here. Meron akong dalawa, pero I think nasa makeup kit ko siya. This is inexpensive as well. Wala pa ata siyang 4,000 won. Then, lastly, I got this Airfit Cushion. This is in the shade number 23. Ito daw yung pinakamaganda nila na cushion. So, yan. May extra na pop and may extra refill.